Ellis Island is a small island located in Upper New York Bay within the Port of New York and New Jersey. Today, Ellis Island is a national museum of immigration and a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world who've come to explore its rich history and cultural significance. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Ellis Island and everything it has to offer. Ellis Island is an iconic location in the history of immigration to the United States. It served as the main point of entry for millions of immigrants between 1892 and 1954, and it is estimated that over 12 million people passed through its gates during that time. The history of Ellis Island dates back to the 17th century when it was used as a fishing spot by Native American tribes. The island was later used as a military fortification during the American Revolution, and by the mid-19th century, it had become a site for military and commercial purposes. In 1890, the federal government took over the island, and it was designated as the site of a new immigration station that would process the growing number of immigrants entering the country. On January 1, 1892, the first Ellis Island immigrant station officially opened its doors. The first immigrant to be processed through the station was a 15-year-old Irish girl named Annie Moore, who arrived on the steamship Nevada. Over the next several decades, millions of immigrants from all over the world would follow in her footsteps, passing through the halls of Ellis Island and into the melting pot of American society. The process of arriving at Ellis Island could be daunting for many immigrants. Upon arrival, they would be separated from their families and belongings and taken to the registry room, where they would be questioned by immigration officials. The questions were designed to determine the immigrant's health, ability to work, and ability to assimilate into American society. If an immigrant failed any part of the screening process, they could be sent back to their country of origin. Despite the challenges, many immigrants persevered and went on to become important contributors to American society. Among the notable Ellis Island immigrants are Albert Einstein, Irving Berlin, and Bob Hope. During its peak years, Ellis Island was a bustling hub of activity. Immigrants would wait for hours or even days to be processed, and the conditions could be difficult with large crowds, limited facilities, and strict rules. Nevertheless, the island was also a place of hope and possibility for many, a symbol of the American dream and the promise of a better life. The immigration station on Ellis Island operated until 1954, when it was closed due to changing immigration policies and procedures. The island remained largely abandoned for several decades until it was renovated and reopened as a museum in 1990. Today, visitors to the island can explore the museum's exhibits, which include artifacts, photographs, and interactive displays to tell the story of the immigrants who passed through its gates. In addition to its historical significance, Ellis Island is also an important cultural landmark. It has been featured in countless movies, books, and other forms of media, and it remains a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Visitors can take a ferry to the island and spend the day exploring its many attractions, including the main building, the hospital complex, and the restored kitchen and dining hall. Ellis Island is a symbol of the rich history and cultural diversity of the United States. It stands as a testament to the courage, perseverance, and resilience of the millions of immigrants who came to this country seeking a better life. Through its exhibits and programs, the National Museum of Immigration on Ellis Island continues to educate and inspire visitors, reminding us of the importance of welcoming and embracing diversity in all its forms. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our video on a tour of Ellis Island, the gateway to America.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.